Figures of speech. Alliteration. Repetition of the initial consonant sound. Example. She sells by the seashore. Irony. Irony is a statement which conveys the exact opposite meaning of what is literally being said. It is also a statement which contradicts the situation. Example. The fire station burnt to the ground. Hyperbole. Exaggeration, not literally true. Mad to sound impressive or to emphasize something such as a feeling, effort, or reason. Example. I am sweating buckets. Personification. Personification is when an object which is not alive is given human qualities. Example. My car is a real beauty. Onomatopoeia. These are words which resemble the sound they are describing. Example. The car alarm went beep. Oxymoron. It uses a two-word phrases where the words contradict one another to give a positive meaning. Example. She is pretty ugly. Simile. This makes a comparison between two things using the words like or as. Example. She shone as bright as the sun. Metaphor. This makes a comparison between two things which have something in common. Example. The eyes are the windows to the soul. Synecdoche. It is a statement in which only part of something is expressed to relate to the whole. Example. At school the children learn ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. Understatement. It is a statement which is made to be less important than what is actually being conveyed. Example. I only have $2 million. Anaphora. The repetition of a word or phrase for a rhythmic effect. Example. You must not stop. Antithesis. This makes a comparison or connection between two ideas in a sentences. Example. That is one small step for man and giant leap for mankind. Apostrophe. It is speaking to an object or item that is not alive as if it were in fact alive. Example. Oh, come on, you stupid door, just unlock. Chiasmus. Chiasmus is when two sentences are balanced against one another but with the words reversed. Example. Work to live and do not live to work. Euphemism. Euphemism is the replacement of a phrase which might be deemed offensive by one which implies the same meaning but does not vary often with it. Example. Instead of the he died, you would say he passed away. Instead of she had an abortion, you would say she terminated the pregnancy. Instead of going for a poo, you would say going to use the bathroom. Litotus. Litotus is an understatement which applies a negative to express the meaning of affirmative. Example. She isn't the friendliest woman in the world. The dress is not too bad. Pun. A pun is a play on words. It uses a word to give a different sense to the sentence and add a double meaning. Example. I spend a lot of time doing DIY, do it yourself, so I know the drill. Paradox. It is a statement which contradicts itself. Example. He is a wise fool. It is the beginning of the end. Assonance. It is the similarity in sound between vowels in the middle of neighboring words. Example: how now, brown cow, on the side of the hide. Metonymy. Metonymy is when a phrase is replaced with another which has a similar meaning, used to describe something in an indirect manner. Example: the pen is more mighty than the sword. I remain loyal to the crown.